Hello guys, and since you guys cannot meet Professor Miller in the lab, and I'm gonna show you do the antifreeze experiment here by the video. And we basically mix different amount of antifreeze with water. Remember in the lecture we learned that the recommended percentage for water antifreeze is 50-50. So that is the balance between the cooling efficiency and the antifreezing efficiency. So today we're gonna mix different amount of antifreeze with water and to test the freezing point and boiling point and do some data analysis. I'm gonna show you one experiment and all the rest will be the same. And then we will give you the data and you analyze the data. Okay, so in the menu you will see the data table. So this is the percentage of ethylene glycol, the volume of water, and the volume of ethylene glycol. So the first one is 0%. We just measure water, and 50 milliliter water, and with 0 milliliter ethylene glycol. We don't add ethylene glycol in the first solution. And in the second solution, we need 5% of ethylene glycol. We get that by mix of 47.5 milliliter water with 2.5 milliliter of ethylene glycol. For 10% of ethylene glycol solution, we mix 45 milliliter of water with 5 milliliter of ethylene glycol. That's what I'm gonna show you is this one. Then I will give you the data for the others. Okay. And this is 5 milliliter of ethylene glycol, and this is 45 milliliter of water. What I'm gonna do is mix them together. I dump this first, and I use water to wash this gravity cylinder. Okay, then dump the rest of the water. This is 10%. This is 10% of ethylene glycol coolant. Okay, and the first thing I'm gonna measure is use the hydrometer to measure the freezing point. And this is the hydrometer, and with some little balls here, and the freezing point depends on how many balls float up. And this is the reading here, and if there is none of the balls, it's not safe to use. And if there is one ball, that means the freezing point gonna be, let me see, freezing point is 20, and the boiling point is around 216 degree F. Okay, and we're gonna measure the freezing point with the hydrometer, and for the boiling point I'm gonna boil it and then measure with the thermometer. But we can also compare the value what given on the chart, and they also give the boiling point, and what given in the chart is that agree with what we measured for the boiling point. Okay, so how to use this hydrometer? You just get some solution, get some coolant into the hydrometer. Make sure there is no bubble. Bubble might affect the result. Look closely. I only have one floating ball. Okay, I only have one floating ball, and according to the chart, one floating ball is the freezing point is 20 degree F. Okay, I can write that on my menu, 20 degree F for the freezing point. Now I will put that and boil it on the hot plate and measure the boiling point. So it might take several minutes for it to boil. Just be patient. And this is the digital thermometer I'm gonna use to measure the boiling point. Be patient, it won't take long. Let's measure the temperature now. It's not a boil yet, but while waiting, we can measure the temperature. Okay, it's 177. It's almost. Let's move closer. Okay, see it start boiling. Yeah, look at that, it start boiling. Oh, my cell phone. Okay, I will put there and watch when the reading stable, and we can take that out. That will be our freezing point. See, 216 is the 16, 17 is the freezing point. You can write down that number. Yeah, 217 is stable. Okay, and we will repeat this procedure for all the other percentage of the solution. Not the solution, actually is the coolant. And you can write down the boiling point by measure this way, and the freezing point measure with the hydrometer. Depends on how many balls floating, and then check the chart and you find the freezing point. Okay, that's all for this experiment, and bye.